Hello everyone! Today I will show you a very quick tip how to check if Tesla's AC cooling capacity is correct. So in order to check this, first we go into the car menu, we go into software, we hold on the motor version or variant of the Tesla and we write service on the pop-up. We wait for the menu to load up. And from here, we need to go to thermal, HVAC, to thermal. We need to go to thermal, then refrigerant system, and then we need to switch on the AC. So we switch it on and we go to low or max cooling mode. What we need to check here is if those readings here are less than 12 or 13 bars. So wait just for a few seconds. There's a lot of noise. And we see that those levels are around 13 or 14 bars. If those go to 15 or 17 bars, then there is a problem with the cooling system. You can see we were staying on 13, it even go back to 13. So here the cooling system is in a perfect shape. So this was a very quick tip on how to check if your cooling system have optimal performance. If those readings, for example, are higher, this means that the compressor is not working correctly, so it's not sustaining the required bars. Yes, it's a little bit counterintuitive that higher bars means worse performance, but this is how it goes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.